Here we have a Volvo V70 automatic that's been brought in because it keeps stalling, coming into corners and coming up to junctions. The diagnostic is showing as a throttle unit communication signal error. There's a fault code ECM902A. But before we start spending lots of money on replacing parts, you have a look at the throttle body, and you can see in here how nicely gunked up it is. And actually, if I push down on the throttle butterfly, it gets stuck shut. So what's happening is, as you take your foot off the throttle butterfly's jamming shut, but then when it wants to open up again to idle, it can't react quick enough, the car stalls, and it's bringing up this fault code. So as you can see now, my fingers are nicely black with the gunk. So we'll clean that throttle body off, both sides, get it back on, and then that'll cure the problem.